Okay guys, brand new tool, and this one is for Parasite SEO, specifically to rank Claude Artifacts. Now, this is a multi-step tool. You don't need to use every single step, but it will be better if you do. Claude Artifacts are ranking for major keywords, but we can give them more juice if we are able to send some backlinks, especially for more competitive keywords. Okay, so what is a Claude artifact? Basically, when you're in Claude and you create an article, for example, you can choose to publish it, and that becomes what they call a Claude artifact. Okay, so that particular method is very good if you want to go and promote things like affiliate offers, your own services, etc. And it's just a very quick and easy way that we can drive traffic to our offers. Okay, so here's how it works. Okay, so we start with this main artifact in here, which ChatGPT has cleverly called the castle. Okay, this is the primary page targeting the main keyword where conversions and money happen. Now, in Claude, it's very, very good at design. You can get it to add things like opt-in forms and stuff like that as well. Okay, so this is the main page that we want to get ranking. Okay, next, what we have is we can create optionally some press releases. This is something that we do because we got access to very, very low cost but high quality press releases. We do not include press release distribution, but we do have within the software the ability to write press releases, okay, that are kind of topical, based on trends and stuff like that. Okay, I'll cover that in a separate video because it's a whole other topic. Okay, but that is optional. Then we have something called Yaks Sagets. This is based on a popular platform where people can build free content pages, user-generated content. Okay, so we mimicked that so that we can create anything between 12 and 36 posts that are going to be linking to the main artifact, the castle. Okay, so these are like supporting villages, according to ChatGPT, and it's not wrong. But what we're doing is we're building long tail coverage, okay, and it's going to provide some natural backlinks, and this is coming from different websites. Okay, and then we have hub pages, as ChatGPT calls the town square. Okay, curated resource centers, distributed link juice, and shows entity topic coverage. Okay, now all of these, the Yaks sites, the hub pages, the main artifact, this content is all generated from the software, and it works in a very, very, very specific way. Okay, now what we're doing for the Claude artifacts is we are pulling in the entities from the top ranking content for any topic. Okay, and because we're able to pull in the entities, that helps us to optimize the article that we're writing for the Claude artifact. The same process is happening with these other sites as well. The Yaks sites, the supporting sites, that sites like GitHub, Netlify, Product Hunt. I think we've got about 36 different websites that we create content for specific to that platform. Okay, that you can just copy and paste, click on the link, it will take you exactly to where you need to be on that particular platform to be able to go and create a post very, very quickly. You kind of do need an assistant to help you to do this much quicker. And we will do some videos that you can pass over to any of your virtual assistants. At the moment, we do not have that part automated, but I'm going to ask someone to create a Chrome extension that can help to automate that. But that will be coming separately, because if I get a developer to build that for me, then I'm going to have to pay them extra money for that, so that will come at an extra cost, but you'll be able to use that unlimited to be able to create these kind of sites and post into them very, very quickly. just with a click of a button, with all your settings saved, your logins, your passwords, all that kind of cool stuff. So that's basically what we're doing with this particular tool. So in the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we create the main artifact, the castle, okay, the primary page targeting the main keyword where conversions and money happen. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.